The P0299 code stands for Turbocharger or Supercharger Underboost condition. That means the boost pressure is lower than what it's supposed to be. Some common symptoms you may notice are low engine power, limp mode, and of course, an engine light. Now let's discuss potential causes of the P0299 code. So the first potential cause is a boost leak. If you have any cracked hoses, loose clamps, or a damaged intercooler, air can escape before it reaches the engine. That will significantly lower your boost pressure and can easily set the code. Before we go on, I would really appreciate it if you guys could like and subscribe to the channel so I can keep providing value to you guys. The second possible cause is a bad wastegate. The wastegate controls turbo speed by letting exhaust bypass the turbine. If the wastegate is stuck open, the turbo won't be able to build enough boost and the ECM will set the P0299 code. The third cause for the P0299 code is a bad boost control solenoid. It controls how much boost the turbocharger makes by regulating pressure to the wastegate. If it fails, the wastegate won't operate correctly, causing low boost and triggering the code. The fourth possible cause is a bad turbocharger. If your car has a faulty turbo, it could have many issues, like bad bearings or damaged fins. The average lifespan of a turbo is 150,000 miles. In that case, replacing the turbo should help clear the code. The next cause is faulty sensors. If the map or boost pressure sensors are bad, they will send incorrect data to the engine control module. Then the ECM may think that the boost pressure is too low, even if the turbo is actually working as it should. The sixth cause for a P0299 code is intake restriction. A clogged air filter or a restricted intake can limit airflow going into the turbo and reduce performance. You want to take a quick look at your air filter and see if it has any debris or dust on it. I linked a quick video on how to replace the air filter in the description below. The last symptom is a faulty ECM. This is possible, but very rare. It should be the last thing you check if all else fails. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate you. Please like and subscribe and have a fantastic day.